I was gifted this value set of 6 eyelash tapes from Joy and I absolutely love them. They have so many great features that I can't wait to show you. So again, you get 6 individual eyelash tape rings here in 6 different colors. I love the colors. I think they're so fun, especially for the spring, which we're in right now. But what I love most about these is their breathable design. It's a really breathable tape. I absolutely love it. Here's an up close view, and here's an up close view of the tape itself so that you can see. And it's also super easy just to tear by hand. It almost reminds me of like washi tape. You're just able to rip it by hand, so quick and easy. I absolutely love that. And it's sticky enough that it gets the job done, which of course is the most important part. You also get included 30 eyelash glue rings, which I love. I think these make it so much easier. So here's one up close, and you just slip it. Actually, I'm a righty, so I slip it on this hand. You put your glue in the middle. You have a slot here for your eyelashes. And actually, if you put glue in only one section, you could use the other section to dab off excess. So I will dip the eyelash in the section with the glue and then use the other side just to get off that excess, and I'm good to go. This really makes it so much easier to adhere eyelashes. So overall, I am just so impressed with this set. You get so much, and it's such great quality, and it's really helped me with eyelash extension putting on. Highly recommend.